Hello guys, in this video we are going to build a calculator app for Android device. As you can see here, I am adding two numbers and then I am getting a result here. So basically we are going to build this thing. So let's get started. We will just create a new project and then create an empty activity. I'll just name it calculator YT and then make sure it is in Kotlin and then you have Android 5.0 Lollipop version and then just finish it. So it will take some time for Gradle to build. Okay, so the Gradle is built. So here we have an Android application of Hello World. We have to just make it as shown here. So for that we will just need two text boxes. So one text box will be for our calculation and then the other for a result and then all these buttons here. For that we will just convert our layout from constraint to linear layout. We will just create a constraint to linear layout and we'll just apply it and then we'll remove this text view from here and then we have the background of black color. So we will just take the back color and then the orientation as vertical. So here we are done with things and then we will just create. So here we'll just create our text view. Here I'll just give width as match parent and then the height as 8 dp. Here we have created a text view for our first text box, which is for our calculation, and then we will just create another text view for our result. So here this we will just change it to 100 as the result will be bigger size, and then here we will just give till 200 and then the remaining is all seen. Now we will just create a linear layout. Inside this we will just create another linear layout.
So here it will be match parent 0 dp and layout weight as 1.
Inside this layout we need all our buttons. So for that we will just need two types of button. One is all the action button and then the other one is as number button. So we will just style it accordingly so that we don't need to write again and again. For that we will just go to resource values and inside color we will just change our color. We need our orange color and here we get our orange color and then inside themes we will create our style. Okay, so we will write style name as action button style.
And then here we will have to create item name, Android layout width. We will just keep it as 0 dp and then we will have our height. We will just keep our height as match parent and then we just need our weight also, keeping it 1. Background color orange.
So here we have created our style for our action button and then we will just create a similar style for our number button also, and then I'll just change the color to black. Okay, so we will go to our activity main. So here we are and then inside this we are going to add all the text views here according to the style. So for that I'll just create a text view. I'll remove this both
and then I'll just add ID for text to view, clear, and then style equal to style action button, and then text equal to capital C, then I close this. So I'll just copy this button 4 times. I have one text to view clear, open, text view close, and then text to view divide. Here I have open, close, and then I have this divide here.
So here I have a linear layout of this box, and I have to just copy this linear layout 5 times. So it's already 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have the layout. We will just rename it and give the proper ID name. So here we have our symbol here. So let me show here. I am having a back arrow symbol. So to get that, we will just go to drawable and then right click new image asset. We will just make it to action bar and tab icons, and then in the clip part we will just click here and search for back. So we are getting this here. We will add it. We will make it to white in color, and then I'll just name it as back, and then I'll just make it next and finish, and then here I'll just add image view, and this image view back style, and then Android so is equal to IC back, and then scale type is center. So we are done with it here. So this is all about our design. Now we have to make each click work, and then we have to add this here. So that will be in our next video. So in this video we have created a project and created 2 styles for our action button and number button, and then in our activity main XML we have made it to the linear layout, and then we have added a background of black color and orientation as vertical, and then we have added 2 text boxes, one for calculation. So I have not given here ID. So text view, calculate, and then another text view, result. So we have 2 text boxes, and then we have another linear layout. Inside that we have another linear layout, and inside that linear layout we have 4 text views who are all this clear, open bracket, close bracket, division, and then we have similar linear layouts for 5 times, and then each carries each and every buttons. So we have done this much in this video. We will just continue in next video. Thank you.